terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem. Question 1. With reference to the coastal ecosystem, consider the following statements. 1. The coastal ecosystems occur where the land meets the sea, and that includes only mangrove forest and coral reefs. 2. The Indian National Centre for Ocean Information Services has carried out coastal vulnerability assessments for the entire Indian coast at state level. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding Himalayan region. 1. The Indian Himalayan region is spread across 13 Indian states union territories. 2. Glaciers of the Himalayas, climate change, black carbon, and regional resilience is a report released by the IUCN. 3. The Mission Butterfly is related to the Nainital town of Uttarakhand state. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding wetlands management in India. 1. The Wetlands, Conservation and Management Rules, 2017 define wetlands as area of marsh, fen, peatland and all paddy fields as well as river channels. 2. National Wetland Inventory and Assessment is compiled by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 4. What are the initiatives can be taken by the government to tackle environmental challenges in Himalayan region? 1. Ban on plastic to prevent non-biodegradable garbage. 2. Participatory conservation of lakes. 3. Sustainable tourism and solid waste management at the point of origin. 4. Construction of green roads. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 4 only. D. All of the above. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding Permian era and oceans grade dying 2.0. 1. Oceans grade dying 2.0 is similar to the Permian extinction. 2. The Permian era was a time after the dinosaurs ruled the planet. 3. During the Permian era, land masses collided to form the supercontinent Pangaea. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1 and 2 only. Question 6. Consider the following statements regarding Indian ecology. 1. In Himalayan mountain system, the East Himalayas have low rainfall, heavy snowfall, whereas in the West Himalayas, there is heavy rainfall, snowfall only at very high altitudes. 2. Tropical rainforest region of India is distributed in areas of Western Ghats, Northeast India and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 3. The mangrove swarms of Sundarbans are the delta of the Ganges and Brahmaputra. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1 and 2 only. Question 7. With reference to the zones of ocean on the basis of availability of sunlight, consider the following statements. 1. Only photosynthesis takes place in a photic zone due to availability of light. 2. Neither photosynthesis nor respiration takes place in an aphotic zone. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 8. With reference to zones of ocean, consider the following statements. 1. Circumlateral zone is dominated by algae. 2. Subtidal zone is never exposed to the atmosphere. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 9. Consider the following statements with reference to Indian Himalayan region. 1. It generates a plethora of services only for Himalayan inhabitants and has a permanent snow cover and glaciers. 2. It is warming increasingly due to positive radiative effects due to water vapor at the top of the atmosphere. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 10. Consider the following statements regarding India State of Forest Report 2021. 1. India State of Forest Report is prepared by the Forest Survey of India, which has been mandated to assess the forest and tree resources of the country. 2. The total forest and tree cover of the country is 24.62% of the geographical area of the country. 3. A decrease in mangrove cover has been observed as compared to the previous assessment of 2019. 4. In terms of forest cover as percentage of total geographical area, top 5 states are Madhya Pradesh followed by Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Maharashtra. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 and 4 only. D. 1 and 4 only. Question 11. Consider the following statements regarding the tundra biome. 1. The tundra biome is distributed only in the northernmost region of world adjoining the ice-bound pole. 2. This biome is devoid of trees except stunted shrubs and ground flora includes lichen, mosses and sedges. 3. Rising global average temperature turning the tundra into a source of greenhouse gas emission. 4. Global warming creates potential feedback loops that encourage further destabilization of tundra ecosystems. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2, 3 and 4 only. B. 1, 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 3 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 12. With reference to kelps, consider the following statements. 1. Kelps are large green algae seaweeds that can survive freezing temperatures and even grow under ice. 2. Kelps are a rich source of iron and iodine. 3. Kelp forests can help protect coastline erosion by decreasing the eroding power of waves during storms. Choose the correct statements. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3.